The Motorola Razr 2023 will be the 4th generation of the flip foldable, but it appears that Motorola has been working on another surprise as well, an additional model that will launch at the same time. Unofficial renders of these foldables are now available at My Smart Price, though the site does say that there is currently only a possibility of seeing 2 of these handsets, so adjust your expectations accordingly. According to My Smart Price and well-known tipster @OnLeaks, the standard Motorola Razr 2023 would be the Razr Lite, while the additional handset would actually be the more premium, more expensive Razr Plus. These renders are for only the Razr Lite, which may just be called the Razr. They showcase a dual-lens rear camera alongside a rather small cover display and a relatively thin bezels around the screen sides. On the main display, there is a single selfie camera cutout. The renders are apparently based on a low-quality, real-life pictures of testing stage prototype, so they're not guaranteed to be accurate, though these are reliable sources for leaks and advanced information. These renders imply that the significant upgrades that have been rumored, a large cover display, a 2-tone color design, and overall improvements are indeed headed for the Plus model. The renders may seem a bit underwhelming at first, but bear in mind that Motorola is going to be pricing the handset accordingly. There's a reason that there are a healthy number of mid-range phones on the market at the moment. Not everyone wants or needs the latest and greatest technology in their phones. For most people, the top-tier handsets are priced a bit too high. That's where the Razr Lite may come in, giving consumers the opportunity for a foldable phone at a more reasonable price. It's not something that Samsung has tried yet with its own foldables, but it's a move that largely makes sense. As well as differing on price, there will most likely be variations in the internal spec as well, and more choices are always good. It's going to be interesting to see the price points that Motorola has for when the handsets launch. The launch is scheduled for sometime in August. Guys, do me a favor, if you like this content, if you like the latest and greatest breaking news in the world of tech, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button down below. And we're going to keep bringing you the latest and greatest IT news. I promise you that. So you're going to want to hit that bell and get those notifications when we're dropping videos. All right. Thanks, guys.